Good afternoon. It is 12:09 p.m. on October 22nd as I record this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly configure your QuickMail block if you have this added in your course. Now, this doesn't happen too often. However, there are times when this block may be reset for whatever reason, perhaps because of a Moodle update or because of some other technical difficulty at your college campus. So I'm going to click compose a new email, and you see that there are no users that are capable of being emailed. Now you could go to your enrolled users and select them all and send them a message that way. However, if you want your message to include a subject title with the course as well, you probably want to utilize this QuickMail block to do that. So now I'm going to go back to the home page of the course, and now I'm going to select configuration, and you see that there's no one that's selected. Looks like the instructor here is the only role that is able to receive emails this way. So if I hold down the control key and I select all the roles that I wish to include as being able to receive these messages, they will now be eligible to do so. So I've selected the roles, and now I hit Save Changes. My changes are saved. So now, when I click on Compose a New Email, you see that anyone who matches the roles that I've selected will now be able to receive an email. It's an easy fix. If you do have additional questions, you can feel free to email me at jstaves@magnes.edu, or you can come by the office in the Burton Business Center at room 149. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.